Hello all, welcome to this video. In this video we will see what is the folder structure of Cypress and what is the use of that folder structure and the default folder structure provided by the Cypress. So if you open the Cypress, after installing the Cypress, if you open the Cypress project, you can see the bunch of folders already created in it. So the main, you can see some of the folders like fixers, integrations, plugins and supports. So we'll see one by one now. And the fixers is used to load some static data. If you want to set up some test data or some static test data, you can set up all those data in your fixers. And whenever we are going to use that data, so you can load that data from your fixers file. So in our later videos we will see how to load that data from fixers to your tests, and how to configure and how to reuse that data we will see in later videos. But that is the purpose of your fixers file. So you can create multiple fixers file based on your need, and all the fixers files and looks like a JSON file. So these are the JSON files. This will be in JSON format. And the second folder is integration folder. In this folder we will create all our test files or spec files, whatever we call. So all our test files will be created in the integration folder. So Cypress by default identifies this folder and run all our tests that are present in the integration folder. If you see, our test runner also only opens the files that are present in the integration folder. And the third folder is plugins. So if you want to add some plugins or some files related, and if you want to execute those files every time when you every test when you run those tests, so you can include in that plugins folder. And there is one more called support folder, and in that by default Cypress provides two of files. One is commands.js and the another is index.js. In the commands.js, so you can create our own custom commands. Cypress has provided many commands, and you can create our own commands, and you can use that commands in our tests also. So if you import those commands here, commands.js, Cypress by default recognizes those commands and will allow us to access those commands in our tests. And the index file, so if you want to import something to run every test, so you can configure that in index.js. So see here, by default Cypress has imported the command /commands. So these commands will available in our test every time. And apart from that, when we are running our test, so if any test fails, it will create some screenshots for the failure tests. So all the screenshots will be stored in the screenshots folder, and all the videos that were recorded at the time of execution will be stored in the videos folder. You can change this all the folder structure as well. And if you see in our test runner, if you go to the configurations, you can see there are bunch of properties already present, like the fixtures folder is cypress/fixtures, and integration folder is /integration. So you can change, if you want to use the different structure, you can change those values. And see it is providing the default so many default values. We will see all these default values and how we can change these default values in our next videos. Thank you. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe for more updates and for more videos on this Cypress course. Thank you.